Hi friends, my name is Dhvanay. Welcome to Animate CZ class. Now today we will learn about how bird is moving from one place to another. So we will see that. So see my screen, I will show you. Now see, I opened the Animate CC program. In that I will create a bird. To create a bird, create a new fresh document. File, new and click on OK. Sorry, I will undo. When I will not do undo, I will create one new fresh document as action script 3.0. Click on OK. Next, I will draw the bird. First, by using the rectangle tool as well as the paintbrush tool. Draw a bird. Click S for ink bottle tool and use only black color in beginning. Use shortcut key Y for paintbrush tool and draw a fully head of this. Undo. See, the new duck background appears. Now I will draw two eyes for this. In beginning, the paint bucket tool should be white. You can also duplicate like this. Select and press first delete key which is incorrect, and you can also correct this by selecting shortcut key V selection tool, Control D, move here and draw one beak using triangle. Triangle is present in Polystar tool. Go to tools options in property inspector and use polygon as three-sided, which is triangle. I will use the beak as red. Shortcut you can use K for paint bucket tool and color this. Now I will small this you by selecting this using free transform tool. Press shift key and make some smaller, then take first oval tool as well as you can also make a line between these two sides. Press S for ink bottle tool and do here like this, fill it here and here. Next, you can make the body by using oval tool like this and use polystar tool for legs. Go to options. It should be three sides, which is polygon, and star point size should be 0.5. Okay. Now to use two legs like this. Now fill the color using K paint bucket tool shortcut key. Fill the color black in the eyes. Zoom out, then fill the color yellow in the whole body. and we will see about wings in layer number 2. Use the new layer. The layer 2 appears like this and make a wing of bird using this brush tool, as well as you can also use paintbrush tool. Use selection tools, shortcut key V, and check however some much gap is there in that. Now when it is not there, color this as yellow. Shortcut key K for paint bucket tool and color this. And make some lines like this. Use free transform tool. Select this. Do some smaller. Press Ctrl C to copy and use the next layer and press Ctrl V to paste in center. Now all of this convert this into symbol. So how to convert to symbol? We will do some down and hold this from this end. Make some down. Drag some down. Here it should be a point. Now whole of this convert it into symbol. Press F8. Okay? For shortcut key. So I converted into symbol whole of the duck's part. Symbol number 2, symbol number 3, and this whole body is symbol number 1. Now see, go to this 10 seconds, right click on this and click insert keyframe and go to 20 seconds, right click on this and click insert keyframe. Move this in this frame, move this some much up here, this take the point here and drag some here and and create a classic twin. Create here, down. Now create a classic twin. So how to create? At one frame the wings are up, second frame the wings are down, and third frame the wings will be up. So see this? The bird will move. Right click on the frame, any frame, and create classic twin. Click on that. Right click and create classic twin. Now you can see how bird is moving. Press Ctrl plus Enter to loop. Okay? And you can also go to control menu and test this. Now you can see how bird is flaking like this. Thank you. That's all for this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel to get all notifications. Thank you.